Hello.
Welcome to the EV Expo.
Thank you.
Explain to us a little bit about what Oz DIY does.
Oh, that's easy. I help people do their own vehicles. If you've got a classic or you've got a car that you want to convert to electric, you come and see me. We've got all the bits and pieces. What we don't have, we can direct you to find out where to get it from. But our main aim is to get people to be able to build their own electric cars or their own conversions. And we've done that quite successfully over the last couple of years. I do keep a lot of budget type gear in stock. The reason is that most people can't afford an expensive new electric vehicle, but this way at least it's relatively affordable and they can build it over a period of time as their budget dictates what they can afford to buy.
Right.
Yeah.
And so what sort of people have been coming to see you at the Expo?
Oh, just about every sort of people. I've had people want to do race car performances. We can help all these people. You just they have to tell me what they want. Right down to budget classics or motorbike inquiries or all sorts. I've even had people ask me about boat drives, and we can do all that. Don't care if it's a boat, a plane or whatever. You can stick an electric motor in it. I'm sure we can make it work for you, you know.
Okay, excellent. And where do you see that your business is going in the next couple of years?
Oh, we run off our feet. We get that many inquiries, you know. Where I see it is that I'll probably be training people interstate to run their own Oz DIY style businesses because right now I'm sending things all over Australia.
Okay.
And I think there's enough demand for this type of product that it'd be worthwhile training people interstate to do whatever they want to do and supply this to people and help more people DIY their own conversions.
Excellent.
Yeah, we're trying to make it simple and easy for people. Yeah.
Excellent. So do you believe that the EV Expo today has been successful for you?
Oh, well, you had to drag me away from the table to do this.
Yeah, we did.
So, I mean, I fortunately had enough time to scoff down a sandwich yesterday. So, yeah, I'm busy.
Excellent.
I look around and see everybody busy here. Yeah. This is a great show.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Right, well, thank you very much for your time.
No worries. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye.